Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create the strawberry top on Dress to Impress. So to create the strawberry top, it is actually super simple. You only need 2 items and you don't need VIP. Select this top here and color it the green that you want to in glitter. Then you're going to select this top here in no toggles at all, in red, in glitter, and like a light pink, or you can use this or whichever one you want. You can even color it red, but I prefer coloring it like this pink color. And that is it. It's super simple and it's super cute as well. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.